Hey, it's Pipiads. If you want to know which products are trending on TikTok, in this video, I have the most viral products on TikTok for your consideration. Let's take a look. Today, our first winning product is the Smart Hula Hoop. The smart weighted exercise hoop is made of hard ABS plastic to prevent equipment aging, which is safe and durable. The smart hoop is easier to use and will never fall, even beginners can use it. 360-degree shock-absorbing massage ring allows you to exercise comfortably and relieve the labor pain in the lower back that has been sitting for a long time. 3 sets of upgraded 360-degree silent rollers can rotate evenly and smoothly, resulting in a smaller noise and smoother rotation. The suggested selling price is $39.99 with the product costing on AliExpress $11.41, which would leave you with a great profit. Our next winning product is the funny dancing cactus toy. The singing cactus can sing many popular songs and has the function of adjusting the volume. Cactus toys will accompany you and your family through boring times. It is a smart interactive toy that can be used to accompany your child and is very helpful for children who learn to speak. And it is the perfect accessory for home decoration and parties, and good for early childhood education. The suggested selling price is $29.99 and the product cost on AliExpress is $5.59. That's all we have to share about today's best winning products. Thanks for watching.